Hi, I'm Amber Dunn from Our Healthy Family Life, and we wanted to finally show off our RV and share it with you. We've been living in this 2018 Jayco Eagle. It's a fifth wheel. It has 2 bedrooms. Been living in it for a little over a year, almost a year and a half now, and we love it. So come on in and we can see our kitchen, living room space. You can kind of see the space is part of the reason why we fell in love with it. It feels like home to us. It felt like home when we walked into it. So we've done a few things to it. Organized some stuff into baskets so that we can travel with it. Also, it's a pantry. It's kind of cool. Ryan has put some work into adding shelves for the cabinets, adding some shelves up here for our bowls and our plates. Just easier access. Also, we've used more baskets up there. Are you showing it off too, baby? We like the bench. Some RVs come with the full counter. It's kind of nice to sit down and take your shoes off. Our main feature is the spare bedroom, which is pretty awesome when you have a baby, a toddler. You can hear her in the background. We just put in a shelf unit for her toys, formula, diapers, wipes, etc. Probably be growing out of her playpen here soon.
What are you talking about? She loves her room.
Come here. Let's show off the
toys.
Let's show off the bathroom with the residential shower. Alright, down our hallway. Ooh, first, we call it the attic. It came with 2 beds for a bunk, but we use it for storage. Just wait. Our hallway also has a window. I like RVs with windows. And our bathroom. Storage behind the shower, which is nice. Nice big shower with glass doors. Something we love.
More storage back here. Goes really far back there too. It's really nice.
We haven't quite figured out how to organize it. I like the light behind this mirror. It's all our medicine cabinet, the usual RV medicine cabinet. Storage under the sink. We have our bedroom. It has lots of space next to each side of the bed, which is another thing we love. It has a washer and dryer combo hookup in here, but we just put our laundry baskets in because we have a washer elsewhere. And we have the closet with extra storage.
There's a little shelf in the back.
Shelves behind. Because it's a fifth wheel, which is nice. Excuse me, baby. Watch out. Watch your fingers. That's Feel free to ask us any questions. Head over to the blog, see some more pictures of some of the projects we've done. Pictures of the outside. Stay up to date with projects and travels over at the blog, ourhealthyfamilylife.com.